Hey guys, welcome to Dazzling Handmade. I am currently on vacation, so I'm making these videos in advance, so I have something to put up while I'm traveling. So that's why these are pretty much very similar videos, but I'm trying to change it up by doing a different theme of sticker collection video. So today we're doing the animals. First we have night dragonflies. There's 40 pieces in it. 40. And if you watch the previous videos, I mentioned that most of the time there are duplicates in these, but sometimes they're just individual ones. Look how featherweight this is. They are so thin and it's completely see-through. There's the first one. So these are, I'm thinking these are gonna be all individual dragonflies. All different colors. The color on these are insane. Like, look how vivid it is. And the printer was very good quality. Sometimes these stickers, especially washies, the printer is not the strongest, so the colors are not as vivid as the designer makes them. Look how beautiful that is. Oh yes, I'm so happy that there are duplicates because they are so beautiful and I would love to use them in multiple projects. This is a flower, I think. We have not seen this one and this, and let's see, this is new too. Very gorgeous. And another one. I think that's it. It's a duplicate. I think that's it for this one. Yes. So there is 40 in it, 40 pieces of stickers. That means there's 20 designs, so 2 of each. What I love to do with this is do a vintage journal and then have it all like very vintage colored, but then put one of these flowers or dragonflies or butterflies. I also have this in butterflies, and then it gives it a very nice contrast. Okay, next one is the happy little partner, and there's 6 sheets. Okay, so 6 sheets, and I think they're all different. So there's a lot going on. There's so many stickers on here. If I'm going too fast, feel free to pause anytime and take a closer look. I also post these on my Instagram, dazzling.handmade. Yeah, I'm trying to oh wait, there's another one. I'm trying to show these as fast as I can, just so the video is not too long. Look at faces. Almost looks like a potato smiling. That's cute. I think these are really good for bullet journals. Look at that one. It's a drinking party. That looks good. Yeah, definitely I'm seeing a lot of bullet journal material. So this is one of those packages that does not have a duplicate in it. And usually on the back it kind of shows what's inside the package. Like this one. However, this is not what we have in here. Yeah, I was looking for one of these, and then I realized these are completely different. But anyway, what is this called? Deco sticky. These are whales, and there is it doesn't say how many pieces. Oh, we got a lot of pieces in here. All right, first we have a feather, anchor, That's a duplicate. Dream catcher. Whale. Another feather. Same. A third feather. Oh, this was backwards. And these are pretty much the same as a washi. So it's kind of look alike. You can also do this with a washi. If you have a washi, you just cut it out and use it as a sticker. There you go. A few more, I think. And the last one is this. And everything else in my hand is a duplicate. Very good. Very nice coloring. Some good detailing. Yeah, I like it. And what I like about it is they're all the same style. Okay, the last one is this. Very cute. Even though it's not the same as what it says on the package, I'm not mad about it because I think these ones are so much cuter. Look at that. All cozy. Oh, that is me. Definitely me. Cute. Ooh, traveling. I mean, these are so adorable and also really good quality. Very good colors. Very cute design. Oh, thinking about food. That's me right now. I'm thinking about food all the time. I'm either tired or thinking about food. Eating, obviously. What are these? Are those like ghosts? Because he looks like he's crying. Very cute. Alright, that was it for this video. I hope you liked it. It was really cute, I think. If you want to see more of this, I created a playlist for the stickers. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.